So I ordered this chair for my wife, and she's got back issues, and she's been wanting one of these chairs forever. So I got it for her birthday. She doesn't know it's coming yet. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. This is the 3X Relax BV2 massage chair. And I'm gonna show you exactly how it comes straight out of the box, how easy and simple it is to actually set up and put inside the house. So let's get to it. This actually has wheels on the back of it. This is when we're actually going to use those. So what you're going to do is just pull back on it, and now you can just roll it wherever you need to. Then we're just going to take this part right here, bring it down like that, put the seat down. Now if you notice, we have two holders. So this is actually going to go in this one right here. As you can see, it's got a place right here for the wire. Just going to place it right in there, and it snaps right in. And this is going to be for your phone or your tablet. We're going to move these. Our power cord. You plug in the power cord right here at the very bottom of the chair on the back end. Now that I have the massage chair all set up, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use. And if you've ever wished you could have a professional massage without leaving your house, this is a game changer. This massage chair is built to give you a true full body massage from your neck, your shoulders, all the way down to your calves and your feet. Now watch the massage chair when I turn it on. This is one of my favorite features. This is the zero gravity mode. It reclines your body into a comfortable position, and it helps you fully relax while you enjoy your massage. It also has the SNL shaped massage track, which allows the massage rollers to follow the natural curve of your spine and reach from your neck all the way down to your lower back and then your glutes for a more complete coverage. And you can control the massage chair right here on this digital display, and it shows you exactly what it's doing to your body. And this chair honestly has so many features. And if you enjoy a deeper massage, it even includes a Thai massage mode that adds stretching moments for a more immersive experience. Look how far the chair actually goes back. This chair truly immerses your entire body so you truly feel relaxed. This chair actually has a built-in heating function that adds gentle warmth, making the massage even more relaxing. It also has this convenient phone holder, so you can watch your videos, listen to music, or even answer calls while you sit back and you relax. And the chair does have speakers in it. And once you've paired your phone or your tablet to the actual chair, your arms are going to go in here. This area right here is where your hand's going to be. As you can see, you have a toggle switch right there, so you can actually toggle through your TikTok and other features on your phone while you're sitting back getting the massage. The chair does have a charging pad. You can just place your phone on it and it will start charging your phone while you're getting the massage. And another great feature is that this chair is designed to accommodate a wide range of users. It can fit people up to 6'4" and up to 320 pounds, making it a great option for many different body types. Whenever you're done with the massage, to get out of the chair, you can easily just take your legs out and do it that way, but that's kind of uncomfortable. So you can just stand straight up in the chair. It's not going to hurt the chair, and then just step out of it. Another very nice feature about this chair, it has the ambient lighting. So if you have this in more of a darker room and you're really trying to set the vibe and truly relax, it just helps with those effects. Whether you've had a long day at work, spent hours on your feet, or you just finished a workout, or you just want to unwind, this chair is designed to help you relax in the comfort of your own home. And you've been thinking about upgrading your relaxation routine? This is definitely worth checking out. If you want to get one of these amazing massage chairs, just click that link and get yours today while they're still in stock.